Hello students, I am Dr. Shalmali Vidke, MBA faculty from Kikiwa College, Nasi. Today we are going to talk about stress management, which is a fifth chapter from OB. In this particular video, we'll start with a case study first. So this is imaginary case study. Stress and anxiety both are a reflection of poor management and poor leadership. It may be a poor management for self or for others. So let's start. A working lady around the age of 36-year-old who used to manage a team of 10 salesperson. She typically worked for 12 hours to need to make herself, to prove herself and to be available on 24 hours on the basis for weekly and monthly to complete her monthly and weekly target. She felt that she's lacking stamina and need to continue with the schedule, and it is she found it difficult. She found it difficult to get time to eat, even for exercise, and lot many other issues are there. Even her performance dropped down, and she started making mistakes again and again. Even at home front, she's facing lot many issues due to stress. Due to stress, she used to eat more, but at the same time, what will happen? You can imagine. She put on a weight, and because of all such a scenario, it directly affect her performance. Even she is making mistake, as I told you. At the same time, it is difficult for us to cope up with the scenario. So her senior advised her, she is very kind, advised her to approach a wellness coach. Already a company, they have a wellness coach, and the coach helped a lady, ask her to take a break, that is very essential. At the same time, ask her to divide the task in such a way that home front can be managed very easily. Even they ask us to prioritize her need, 1 2 3 4 like that. At the same time, they assist the employee by introducing new dietary habit, nutritional program, which she continues for, that course continues for 12 weeks. Different settings takes place, and in her busy lifestyle, busy schedule, she could manage her stress with help of that wellness coach. A client sometimes feel, that client means a lady sometimes feel she's lacking in the time management activity, so the wellness coach asks her to divide the task, to assign the task, and very effectively when she could do that, she learned a lot about her eating habits, even for how to exercise. Even whenever she will get a 10 minutes 15 minutes time, she gained more about, she could gain importance, and that quality work, like we can say, she could balance with the help of wellness coach. And then her reaction was, definitely she thanked the wellness coach, and she mentioned, if stress would have burned my calories, I would have been a supermodel. Okay, jokes apart, even you and me, we are facing lot many issues. I'm not talking about fatigue, but because fatigue is related with the physical things, but we are experiencing mental fatigue, and that is nothing but a stress. Okay. So, what exactly stress is? Stress is a mental fatigue. Definitely, it is a state of tension which is experienced by individual person because of that come because of extraordinary demand, constraint, opportunity, lot many issues within and around. So that stress management is required for wide spectrum of techniques. Actually, it is a technique, and the expert person will control the stressful level when he or she could manage the work assigned to him. There are chronic stress, there are workplace stress, there are organizational stress, there are interpersonal stress, there are different type of a stress. These, as I have mentioned, stress and anxiety both are a reflection of poor management, definitely poor for self management as well as for others, and at the same time leadership. Stress is a situation, if we start burning candle at both the end. So the same thing physically and emotionally, when we are exhausted, then it is we're like a candle, we're like a situation in the candle, just too much that we cannot take a load anymore. So that type of a scenario will be there. There are different circumstances when a stressful situation come. First is task demand, that this is a sense of not knowing where a job will lead you, or what type of activities are assigned at the last stage. So you might have planned out something else, and then unforeseen things are there. You cannot control, you cannot avoid such type of meetings, schedules, demand. That type of situation will be there. That is a task demand. Then the role demand, as role conflict always there when an employee is exposed to inconsistent or difficult expectations. For example, it may be interpersonal or intrapersonal, that is a various expectations. So ethical challenges are there. At the same time, there is an ambiguity, there is a confusion with the experience, that as a senior person you need to do that. It is expected that that you need to complete that. That support may be required. Third is physical demand. Many times work of physical demand, that is including stressful activity, maybe a hazardous material is there, too much lengthy schedule is there, or traveling is there, exposed to various working condition where you cannot, where you are not suitable, or you cannot stretch yourself, and then it will convert into that physical issues may convert into your stress. Then interpersonal demand are there, that is emotional issues are there, personality offensive, demand of a co-worker, maybe colleagues are not proper, some harassment kind of a thing is there. It may be a small comment, it may be a small just the gesture also, it may hurt you sometimes. Maybe a poor management, lack of management, poor style, sometimes you cannot handle even your role, that also leads to a stressful situation. I know we have talked much about stress. Otherwise, if I continue this, it will increase your stress. So let's talk about how we can. These are not the various weakness. There are, these are just the tips so that we can minimize the stress. First is to plan your strength. What are your strengths? You should be aware, and then you can prioritize your time. Third thing, know your thoughts, know your picks, so that you can assign which is a tolerance level. Next, plot some personal time that is required. Next is working hour, stick to your working hour. You should not, every now and then you should not stray. Then sometimes you need to, that is unavoidable, I can understand, but still. Next, find time for your fitness, that is equally important. So you need to manage your time. At the same time, you should be you should not become obsolete, you should be well versed with the technology, adopt the new things, that is equally important. Then you should know how to nurture yourself, your interest area, your hobbies should be nurtured, so that the self motivation is the best motivation. Be realistic. The things which won't be possible right now or require some particular time, then mention that saying no is a skill, and that requires, that should be adopted sometimes. Even sometimes loneliness is required, that it may be a coffee time, you may enjoy, that is a self dialogue actually going on. So you enjoy your coffee, you are with yourself, that dialogue, then maybe finding out your own mistakes. Introspection is required, in short. Then if you require a business coach, wellness coach, just like the I have narrated in the case study, that is equally important. That expert person advice will be helping hand for you. Then manage your mind. You need to boost yourself. That is, I just now I have mentioned, that is a self motivation. But taking a doubt or anxiety will creep you. So you need, mental health is required, that by way of meditation, yoga, or some business work. Very nice motivational book will lift you up and support you. If required, just a lady has approached to a wellness coach, and that wellness coach asked her to take a break. That break is required. At the same time, have a holiday, that is equally important. Okay, so today, by way of this video, we have talked about the stress, occupational. Purposely I have taken a case study from organization, occupation. So all these things scenario are required, and as a manager, as a true leader, you require to manage a team. So you should be aware how to manage yourself in a stressful situation. Emotional intelligence is one of a task for them. At the same time, you should support your team. As a good leader, you should support your team and to manage their stress also. Okay, thank you.